Hi, in front of me is Realme 7 and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Firstly, open Settings. Now choose Home Screen and Wallpaper, scroll all the way down and tap on Set Icon Style. Over here pick one of the available ones and tap Apply. But you can also go back, click Custom and customize your icons. When you're done, click Apply. As you can see, style of my icons has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!